It's going to be good. I'm going to be good friends with it. This is what I thought. But at initial days, we were not really.
And she was cursing me.
I was cursing. And we both are standing and posing for the same photo. But it looks like इन लोगों का ना जम नहीं रहा है.
मैं अपना फेवरेट हूँ.
Hey guys, my name is Shravan Shah and welcome to yet another episode. Today on this episode, I have two really cool and talented people. So we have Sai Ketan Rao and Shivangi Khedkar with us. What's up, guys? The energy has reached Kolhapur. The energy is reached there. So usually this is what I do, guys, when I do this segment with actors. I ask them this question. So it's a very serious question, guys. I want you all to just take a deep breath, think about it. And the talented actors, I know you all can do it. So it's a very tough question. It can be a little controversial also. So just embrace yourself for this question. The question is, was it a dream always to be on this show with me?
Yes. I wanted to be with.
Oh my God.
I wanted to be on this.
Please tell me this build-up was too good.
It was stupid. I should.
Very nice. I thought you were going to ask something like very
Khatarnak question.
Very khatarnak, No, that's not what I do, guys, especially, to people who I love so much. Both of y'all individually and together, y'all know how much I love both of y'all. Okay. So, of course, the show Mehndi and Rachnewali, when it began, it was a new thing for both of y'all. Okay. Did you guys think that this is what the journey is going to be?
Well, I had a very simple thing that I'm going to put in my 100%. It's going to be good. I'm going to be good friends with it. This is what I thought. But at initial days, we were not really.
Friendly? Are we using the term friendly?
Now
We
at
were
least,
not.
yeah.
We were having Sattis
I
ka
was like,
akda.
oh,
Arre.
Sattis ka akda.
no good morning, nothing.
Many people don't know this, but we were having Sattis ka akda.
Okay. And was there a reason for it? Was there a reason for this Chattis Kakada just?
I think he was just being himself and.
That's it.
Wow. I like what is said on this interview already. I'm loving it.
This is controversial now.
He was being himself. Now he's like a little.
Sophisticated.
Telling him that
Sophisticated, is it?
Can be friends. And now he's like, okay, let's try this. So yeah, we are.
Yeah.
धीरे-धीरे सीख जाएगा.
I like it.
So that's the thing. I never had any expectations, the hopes, nothing. I just thought, अच्छा ये project है, I have to give the 100%, and that's how it is, and that's how it went.
Both your characters on the show, okay. You fans love y'all for what y'all do on the show, okay. When y'all go back home and just sit down and look at everything that has happened around y'all, okay, has the feeling sunk in? Yeah, matlab, we had started on this journey, and today we've landed here. Has that feeling even sunk in? Ke yaar, itna sab ho gaya hai.
We didn't get time to do all this.
In fact, we last year, this September month, we shot the demo shoot.
Wow.
This is the month. On September 5th, we shot the demo shoot. And that's how we didn't meet each other, but she saw me.
I saw, and I remember him because he had a flight to catch, and because of him, we all had to wait. Because everybody's like, oh, Sai Ketan Rao has to leave.
And she was cursing me.
I was cursing. I was like, this man, because of this man, I have to wait for and do nothing for next 4 hours. He's shooting nicely. He left at 6 o'clock. We left at 11 o'clock in the night. From Thane, I had to travel all the way to Lokapala.
I don't even know her. I didn't know.
I remember this man only. Because he was the one who had to.
This man, ever since, this man is the issue.
You are jala diya, yaar.
Thanks for this one. Thank you so much.
This has become Team Shivangi suddenly. I love it.
Whole lifetime now.
Love it. हाँ, तो again going back September.
Okay.
एक साल हुआ यार guys. मतलब कैसा फील हो रहा है?
हाँ यार एक साल.
बताओ how you are feeling.
I just saw our look test का photos today. Like shaggy hair, like really long hair, and I'm looking like a kid in that. And we just had a conversation today that we looked so different just a year ago in the look test.
You look like a kid in that sari. ऐसा लगता है कि छोटे बच्ची को ना साड़ी बनाई, चलो शूट करते, चलो भागो. And I'm looking like a college kid there.
And we both are standing and posing for the same photo. But it looks like इन लोगों का ना जम नहीं रहा है. He is doing something else, I'm doing something else in the look test. I saw the photo and clearly we were not like on the same page.
But that's great. That worked for the look test because see where y'all are after a year. I mean, killing it, rocking it. Now what's going to happen is we are going to move on to my favorite segment, which is the game segment. Now, what happens on the game segment is there are some things that y'all have to do together. Okay. And there are some answers that y'all will have to give individually. Okay. Y'all will be competing against each other in some parts not. Mentally, I know who the winner probably is going to be. Okay. Which I will reveal by the end of when the segment gets over. This is a complete Bollywood segment because I am a Bollywood buff. So मतलब ये पूरा Bollywood segment है. Sai Ketan is already thinking, should I just give up? Sai Ketan, this is your last chance. Do you want to give up?
Yeah, partner she will.
She's not your partner. Excuse me, you're competing against her.
Competing partner.
We'll see, my friend. We'll see. Okay, the first one. Both of you all together have to do this. मतलब देखते हैं तुम दोनों में कौन पहले करता है उसको पॉइंट्स मिलेगा. This is the hook step of चिकनी चमेली.
हाँ.
Just to give a clue to Sai Ketan, I'm going to say the song and the actor also. So probably he'll get it quicker. Okay. Next one. Tatad. Ranveer Singh, Ramleela. Go for it.
Yeah.
You did it. So even though Shivangi, yeah, you were quicker, but a second late. Again, Shivangi leading with 3 points.
No way, because
लड़की का दिल नहीं तोड़ते.
Yeah. Let's not do that. Yeah, let's not do that. Okay. Sai Ketan, I'm going to give you 15 seconds and you have to name as many Amir Khan films as you can. Your time starts. Your time starts now.
Dangal and Dhoompur, Kajni.
Okay. It's over. It was Dhoom 3. But I will still give it to you.
Sorry.
I will still give it to you. Not bad. 3 kiye humne. We took 5 seconds to answer one. Not bad. Boy has tried. Shivangi, yes. 15 seconds.
Yes.
And you have to name. No, you don't have to name Amir Khan films. You have to name. Wait. Shah Rukh Khan films. Your time starts now.
Dawn. Chante India. Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum. अभी जो आया था a fan.
Oh, we got 5. Not bad. Very, very close. Okay, this is an acting challenge. So, Sai Ketan, pick your favorite Bollywood dialogue. Okay. Now, I'm going to tell you emotions. Okay, and you have to say the same dialogue in the following emotions that I'm saying. Okay. The first emotion is happy.
मैं अपना favorite.
Sad. Nice. Angry.
मैं अपना favorite हूँ.
Okay. Shocked.
मैं अपना favorite हूँ.
For you, Shivangi, pick your favorite dialogue. So your dialogue is कौन है वो जिसने दोबारा मुड़ के मुझे नहीं देखा. You have to say that dialogue in the happy mood.
कौन है वो जिसने दोबारा मुड़ के मुझे नहीं देखा?
Nice. Sad.
कौन है जिसने दोबारा मुड़ के मुझे नहीं देखा?
Good one. Angry.
कौन है वो जिसने दोबारा मुड़ के मुझे नहीं देखा?
Deserves a round of applause to both of you all. You guys killed it, guys. You guys genuinely killed it. So good. Fan. Okay. Next question to both of you all. Okay. If there was a Bollywood film that was being remade and you guys had the privilege to star in it, Shivangi, which film would that be for you? And Sai, which film would that be for you?
I think I'll go for Razi.
Oh, nice. You'll go for Razi. Not bad. What about you, Sai?
Don.
Ah. So because of this undisputed performance that we've got here, I am not picking any winner, guys. Both of you are winners for me. But I'm going to say this before. Okay, Anna had said this, that I am going to disclose who I thought is going to win this. I genuinely thought Shivangi was going to win this. I wasn't wrong. My predictions were right.
You can bet on me.
I think I can, my friend. Okay, what's going to happen is, because I had announced, that, I'm going to be interviewing you guys, there were tons of messages and questions that have come your way. I have picked a few and I'm going to ask you all that quickly. You have to answer it. Okay, the first question is from Kiara GK. The question is, one secret about each other.
That is honestly not that selfish.
Okay, and Sai, one secret about her. Okay, tell us her favorite dish. Something she can eat any time of the day.
Rasmalai. Kesar Rasmalai.
Yeah.
Rasmalai fans for life. Next question is by Silpi Sikha. Their celebrity crush.
Vicky Kaushal. Let him know.
I will let him know. I will. What about you, sir?
I don't have any celebrity.
क्योंकि शिवांगी, क्योंकि मैं अपना favorite हूँ. Okay, next one is by Sia0376. Which Indian reality show you would love to be a part of? Would you guys love to be a part of an Indian reality show?
If it is something like Coffee with Karan, definitely.
Yeah. Sai?
Yeah, Coffee with Karan, and there's another reality.
Which is?
Khatron
Ke Khiladi. Oh, he'll kill it at Khatron Ke Khiladi, I think. ठीक है. Khatron Ke Khiladi. I shall put in your name for Khatron Ke Khiladi. I really like this question. This is by Sifriti5. Please ask Sai, how does he trigger the right emotions that it feels so real?
I just get deep into the character and the situation. To be situation अभी है to perform करते हैं. So I just get deep into that.
Nice.
For example, अगर पल्लवी ने कुछ ऐसा किया, कुछ I'm feeling it angry or sad or happy. So I just think that she has really done something.
Next question is to you, Shivangi, by Anjan Shreya. What was the most difficult scene to shoot till date?
I think the scene where Pallavi is thrown out of the house. I had done something like that before also, and my only worry was that it should not sound the same or look the same or feel.
Makes sense.
It should be like a totally different scene from what I've done.
Okay. Next question by Linda Reji. One weird habit of each other.
I think he has this one habit of repeating things. He has to make sure कि मेरी बात पहुंच गई है, so he'll clearly say it like at least 2 times.
Okay. And Sai, one weird habit about Shivangi?
She forgets her phone anywhere, everywhere on.
People will come from some other part and they'll say, this lady का photo यहाँ पे है wallpaper पे, where is she?
They'll come and give me, sir, madam का phone है. And madam is there in the shot, ठीक है तो मैं रख देता हूँ, जब madam आएगी दे दूँगा.
But thank you so much, guys. On that note, we are done. I hope you guys had fun.
Yes. Thank you so much.
This was crazy. Thank you so much, guys, for doing this and being the amazing people that both of you all are. Again, saying this for the nth time that I love both of you all. Love the energy. Keep, killing it with Mehndi and Rachnewali. You guys are great actors, and y'all will go a long way. I know.
Thank you so much. It's always fun, to do an interview with. Of course, we don't. It's not like an interview.
It's like a chill.
This didn't feel like an interview. This was just a chill. क्या catch up करे life में क्या हो रहा है life में. Thank you so much once again, guys. Keep killing it. I'm gonna see you all super soon yet again. So that was all for today, folks. Hope you have liked the video. Do not forget to comment and share the video with your friends. Also subscribe to MissMalini, and we're going to be back with yet another video super soon. Till then, take care.